This is a video of two 2007 Mazak HCN 5002 FMS pallet tech with 32 pallets. Coolant through the spindle, probe, ship conveyors, coolant tanks. Cat 40 taper, 2 tool hives, 330 tools each. Completes the video.